Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your AU Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in AU Bank login and hit the search. Make sure guys it takes you to the official link www.aubank.in. Just click on that first link. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now guys, you will be taken to the official website of AU Bank. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on that login button. Now either you can log in with your net banking or your corporate net banking. Just click on that first one. Again you will be taken to the new interface, which is the login or the register page of AU Bank. Now guys, over here you just need to enter your username. Similarly enter your password over here and just copy that code. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your username, just click on forgot username. Similarly, if you forgot or unlock your password, just click on forgot or unlock password button. If you don't have any account of AU Bank, just click on that register button to create a new account. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.